just jumping, and we're going to the grocery store and shopping, and decide, and abracadabra, going to the grocery store. Oh, I forgot, shopping mall, and we're already here. This is the fan. I just found it. Guys, did you know that I bought is marionette doll, cat and water doll, or the Disney princesses, or the My Little Pony, or you could pick some more My Little Pony dolls because Ladybug. And I'm gonna tell you what is that. I guess you're gonna get it. And I already bought some dolls. You can guess what did I have? Marionette, Ladybug with K, Black with Agent, because those are the Kwamis, which is good power, and I like them. So that way I watch them more than phones. And we're gonna buy iPhones. And I'm just walking like a frog. So guys, I already finished it, guys. Sorry. And do you want me to talk more? Or do you want me to talk with you? You can guess in the comment which is I talk. I always love you guys. Thank you for all watching Renadara Vlogs. And do you want to talk me more? Or you could just talk to me. You can talk to me if you want more Renadara Vlogs, shopping, and grocery store, and pink. And smash that subscribe button and click the notification bell. This is the new Renadara Vlogs for the click that subscribe button, or yeah. Guys, thank you for supporting me and my mommy and all of us. So, do you want me to talk more or anything? Or do you want to talk? Guys, thank you for like, share, and subscribe for my channel. Thank you for supporting Renadara Vlogs, and thank you for supporting me. Love you guys. See you.